Hello students, I hope you're utilizing this time practicing what we have learned so far. Remember, there is no shortcut to the hard work. You have to practice every day without fail. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the A minor scale, which is also the relative minor of C major scale. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let us understand some few important concepts that help us to build our basic knowledge about relation between scales. Be attentive, it may be tough to understand. Now, again, there can be thousand ways one can relate as many scales they want with each other. But basically, relation between the scales can be made by two ways. Firstly, by identifying their tonic or by identifying their key signature. Now, what is tonic? Tonic is the first scale degree or final resolution tone. Don't get confused with those technical terms. We will learn all these terms in our upcoming lessons. For now, simply understand that tonic is a note that dominates the scale or sounds prominent when we consider the diatonic scale on a whole. For example, in C major scale, tonic is C. Similarly, in C minor scale, tonic is also C. Thus, a major and minor scale that have same tonic or first note in the scale falls under parallel relationship. So in music tongue, we would say C minor is the parallel minor of C major. Now, to understand the next relation, we have to understand the term key signature. Key signature are just like keywords. Keywords are those words which are used more often, and for that we don't have to search every time. We will understand it by looking onto the keyword. Similarly, key signature on the staff will identify you the note in order to eliminate the repetition of the same note every time. With that, a major and minor scale that have same key signature falls under a relation having same relative key. So in music tongue, A minor is the relative minor of C major. After all that, let's move on to the A minor scale. For A minor scale, we will see its relative major because we are deriving a relative minor. So the C major scale is, we already know this scale, right? The relative minor for any major scale will be its sixth note or Aeolian mode, which is also a natural minor scale. So C major scale is a natural major scale and its relative minor A minor scale is a natural minor scale, because just like C major scale, where these notes are normally occurring like C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. In A minor scale also, notes are naturally occurs starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G and again A. This is the relative A minor scale or simply A minor scale. Next, we have to consider the wheel of notes to determine the step between the notes. We have found that between A and B there is a whole step. Between B and C there is a half step. Between C and D there is a whole step. Between D and E there is a whole step. Between E and F there is a half step. Between F and G there is a whole step. Between G and A there is a whole step. Thus forms the formula for a minor scale. Now let's see this scale on the fretboard. We will play it on an open scale. Starting from the 5th string, which is open A, to the 3rd string 2nd fret A. 5th string is open A. 5th string 2nd fret middle finger is B. 5th string 3rd fret ring finger is C. 4th string open is D. 4th string 2nd fret middle finger is E. 4th string 3rd fret ring finger is F. Third string open is G, third string second fret middle finger is A. Let's play it. Practice this scale with correct finger position and listen carefully what it sounds like. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.